Welcome, welcome, welcome. So today we are going to cover a topic that I've been practicing for 3.5 years now, and I haven't talked about it a lot, but behind the curtain, I've been working on it religiously, and I simply love covering this topic: email marketing. And email marketing, especially for life coaches. I know a lot of life coaches who don't want to do email marketing, or who are so much overwhelmed by different marketing forms, video marketing, social media, and all that. But I also understand that email marketing specifically for life coaches, that's not been talked a lot. So I thought I'll be covering this topic, right? So whoever is joining me live or as a recording, please say hello in the chat box so I know you are here or you were here. Okay. And if any question comes up, mention it in the comment box and I'll try my best to reach out. Now we're going to cover three important things in this session: what, why, and how. What exactly is the mindset that you would need? Okay. Or what exactly you would be doing in the email marketing? Why email marketing? Why, as a life coach, it's so important to do email marketing? And third, how to get started. Simple and effectively, how to get started in email marketing. Okay. So before anything else, if you're watching this considering that it's going to be email marketing for your uh, e-commerce brand, maybe this is not the place for you. This is specifically for coaches. Okay. And as coaches, anything we do in the marketing is supposed to be aligned with the mindset that we want to do good in the world. We want to help our clients. We want to help our prospects. We want to elevate the humanity, right? So, whatever we are going to cover in this email marketing, it's going to be from the heart that I want to do, I want to offer better experience to my prospects, better experience to my clients. Excuse me. So, with that mindset, what I personally aim for is how do I offer a an ecosystem to my clients. So whenever somebody signs up to work with me, no matter if it's a group program or my one-on-one elite coaching program, I don't offer them only one-on-one session or only recordings or only this, only that. I offer them an ecosystem with which they can grow. I offer them my recorded session. I go one-on-one on video. I text them one-on-one. I even offer them group support. Whatever I can offer to make sure that they are getting the help they need, they are getting the resources they need. That also means sending them a weekly newsletter, a weekly email. Okay. So, first point, why email marketing can be such a great thing for life coaches. Number one, it helps you make those touch points. So, it's a pretty common understanding in sales world that you need certain touch points. Your prospect or your buyer needs to see your name, to see your message a couple of times before they end up buying from you, right? So from the automated emails, okay, like they gave you their email on the form that you had, and automated email means that they receive one email every 24 hours or 2 days or 1 week, whatever frequency you set, right? So what happens is you create once, you create that email once, you write that email once, and anyone who joins even 5 year later will still receive that email, right? How do I create once and continue using that creation to create impact? That's the mindset behind it. Okay. So this email automation, automated emails will help you nurture your prospects. Okay. So for example, somebody who goes up to my website, or I recently launched an ebook, 7 milestones to being a six-figure life coach from scratch. I'm gonna put the link somewhere in the description, and you can go there and check how it feels to receive those automated emails. So whenever somebody signs up there, they will continue receiving emails from me for 3 days straight, and I don't have to be there. The software is doing my job, right? And it helps building that initial rapport. So even if the other person knows that this is automated, they would still get to know you, who you are, what you offer, right? And then again, one of the biggest reason why email marketing is important is whenever I post on LinkedIn does not show my post to all of my followers. Instagram does not show my post to all my followers. But when I send an email, all the people that I have on my email, they will receive my email, right? So that's a very, very, very big point. And one point that has not been discussed, so it's 7 December and 7:07 p.m. It's an angel number. Anyway, so one point that a lot of people don't discuss about email marketing is it offers a safe space. As a life coach, it's a really big thing. I have seen people responding back to me with so much of their personal information, sharing secrets with them, opening up on email. And that's a very, very, very big point, right? Moving on, what exactly do you need to do? Again, we can be talking about campaigns, about drip automations, about sequences, e-commerce tracking, and all that stuff. But as a life coach, starting out, you don't need that. Okay, how to get started, or what do you need to get started really simple and effectively is: number one, create a lead magnet, and 2 3 automated emails, and number two, have a weekly or a bi-weekly newsletter. Okay, I suggest have a weekly newsletter. And how much time will it take? So to get started, to set up things, it may take maybe 5 10 hours to just set up things once. 5 10 maybe 15 hours. But once the things are set up, the weekly newsletter takes around 15 minutes a week. 15 minutes a week, right? So two things: lead magnet and the automated emails, and number two, weekly newsletter. That's the what part of what do you need to do to get started. How to get started? Okay, so number one is choose a platform. Okay, so the platform that's in the buzz at this moment is Substack, but please don't opt for it. I'll justify I'll answer the reasons why I suggest not to join Substack. Number one, it doesn't offer personalization, so you cannot name. So whenever you sign up in my email list, you will see I ask for name as well. Okay, so when I send emails, I send hey code name. So what happens is I signed up for, let's say, my email, so I'll receive an email, hey Dipanshu, and let's say Amy signed up for it, so she will receive hey Amy. So it feels like the person has written this specifically for you. Substack don't offer that. Number one. Number two, Substack don't have options for automation, and it's a very, very, very important part for the email marketing ecosystem. Okay, so although Substack is relatively uh, like in a buzz at this moment, I'd suggest not to go there. Instead, there are two platforms that I'd suggest if you want to get started. Number one, ConvertKit. Number two, MailerLite. I use MailerLite at this moment, but ConvertKit is equally better, equally good. So, and for starters, for the first 500 or 1,000 subscribers, it's free anyway. So if you have even 5 people in your network, even 5 people in your email list, start a newsletter. Start a habit of writing to your prospects and your clients once a week. Okay. And if you use social media, if you put up videos, content like I do, you could simply copy paste that content to your email as well. It still makes sense, right? Okay. How to get started? The first part is choose a platform, and how to set up things, set up form, and all that stuff. It's Really simple, really easy, and available on that platform's website. So if you choose, let's say, MailerLite, it's available on MailerLite. Okay, I'll put my affiliate link for MailerLite in the description if you choose to sign up. Go through the resources, it's fairly simple. Okay, and it's one time, maybe 30-40 minutes or 1 hour total work. Okay, now you have chosen your platform. Second thing is create a lead magnet. A lead magnet could look like an ebook or a mini course or a checklist, or there are like hundreds of different kinds of lead magnet you can create, right? You can just google what are the lead magnets and whatever. So write an ebook maybe just 10 pages long, right, and put it on as a form. Create an automated email series of maybe 3 emails. So I know whatever I'm saying right now, if you're just a beginner, it may sound a little overwhelming. That's okay. Bookmark this video, go back, make notes, and then whatever you don't understand, just google it. It's really, really, really simple. It's really simple. Okay, so create a lead magnet, create an welcome series, automated series of maybe 2 or 3 emails. Tell the new audience who you are, what you do, maybe some success stories, some social proof, testimonial, some pain points you'd want to uh, focus on, something around that. And the second step is start sending them weekly emails. So I've been sending my TGIF Friday emails for the last 3.5 years. I was just checking out. I have sent more than 200 newsletters in the last 180 weeks or so. Okay, I'm not talking about the automated emails. So consistency really, really brings connection. I know a lot of people who reach out to me telling me that I love that you send these Friday emails. I've been receiving these Friday emails for 3 years now. I so much appreciate you sending these emails. One person wrote to me that I'm so glad that you send these Friday emails. They have helped me through this lockdown. And if your 15 minutes in 1 week can help someone, even one person, feel that way, would you want to invest those 15 minutes in something like this? Right? That's all I had to talk about in this email marketing for life coaches. I know I talked a lot of maybe technical words. I tried my best to keep it simple. So whatever you don't understand, please write down that word. Okay, let's say I said automated emails. So just Google it. What is automated emails? But let me put this belief in you. It is really simple. If you have zero tech knowledge or zero business knowledge, it's really, really, really simple. And it's a duty from our end as coaches to try something that can help our clients even more. I'm going to repeat that. As coaches, it's our duty, it's our duty and responsibility to try things that can help create us even bigger impact, that can create an impact in somebody's life, right? So, then again, if you have any questions, I'm here to answer. Okay. The way we talked about email marketing, about the mindset, about the beliefs, I cover really simple and effective marketing strategies, business mindset changes, transformations in my one on one coaching and group coaching. Okay. So if you need my help in growing, starting, or even scaling your coaching business, I'm going to drop my 15-minute clarity call link in the description. So you can book a call with me. Okay. From me to you, let's try more and more on how we can create a bigger impact. All right. Thank you so much for being here. I'm going to see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.